gold and silver review for January 26, 2022. Let's go. This is Dan Max at eXp Realty, aka the Trading Agent, and this is my stock, Bitcoin, gold, and silver daily market recaps. Please subscribe if you like what you see. Thank you.
This is Dan Max at eXp Realty, aka the Trading Agent. This is my weekly gold and silver update for January 26, 2022. Let's get into it. I'm going to preface this with, if you are a Reddit user who's going to complain that I'm using the GLD and SLV, then just please ignore this. I'm using this because I love trading the gold and silver market during market hours that I'm awake, and so these are the best avenues for trading it. They do interpret the metals market pretty well, so if you're complaining in paper contracts and you're going to want to whine, just delete, ignore me. So I don't care. Let's get into gold, because this is something I was talking about all week on the Discord room, Twitter. Again, everybody and their mom was getting bullish gold, and I did not like this doji. I did not like yesterday's action with the long wick, and then look what happened today. We gapped down. We're down to the 20-day. The feds are speaking. Of course they're gonna talk that inflation's gonna dissipate, all this crap. Ultimately it's short-term noise. If you remember, December 15th was the bottom for gold. That was a Fed meeting. And then the Fed minutes was the retest. Well, guess what? We have another Fed-induced market sell-off, and people are freaking out, which is great because I think it got overbought. If you check out, again, StockTwits, Twitter, everything, everyone's like, buy gold, buy silver, buy gold, buy silver. And it's like, hold on. I don't like this sentiment at the high going into the Feds, because they probably have a ton of weak hands of people who have been using metals as a hedge into the market, and guess what? They buy high, they're going to sell low. So perfect. Shake these mofos out. We talked about this. Please shake them out. Shake out the weak hands. We can go higher. So if you're looking at the GLD, I like the back test of this trend line here. I think anywhere in this 169, and again, this is all stuff that I posted, anywhere near the 20-day, any of this area, I think this is a buy. So if you buy it with a stop, I think you're good. Let's get into SLV, and everyone says, oh, I hate the SLV, yada, yada. Shut up. I know. I hate it too. It's a bullshit paper ETF. But I do like the levels on the monthly, and that's what's important, is watching the monthly. This 20 area on the SLV matters to me. Been pointing this out that you've been holding this area. Now, if you check out the daily, I drew in this little box. We filled this little gap. I like it in the mid 21s. It's just so obvious. So keep in mind what's coming up as well. I mean, the Feds are going to want to talk off inflation as hard as possible, but they can't print money to fix constraints. So if you're trading the metals, check out the miners. Again, let's just run through them real quickly because I do like them. You're coming back to support. Again, GDX, check out this area. I've been shouting for a while. If you can get down toward the 29-30 range, I like it. Oh, wrong chart. If you check out the monthly, you're at the channel low. 50 month, I like that. GDXJ, same kind of thing. You're at the channel low. Here at the 50 month. I mean, could you go a little lower? Ooh, yeah, I mean, the market could get smacked at any point. Again, if you're down here in the 38s, it just seems like a no-brainer. Buy it with stops. I mean, just don't overthink it. That's the problem. People overthink, they turn their brain on, and all of a sudden they don't know how to trade. They just chase highs and buy. They don't buy low. They buy high and they sell low. So again, SILJ. I like it here. And again, check out the monthly. I mean, you can extrapolate this to all different miners then if you want. If you have questions, come by the Discord room. We can talk about specific miners or metals in general. If you like this kind of content, please subscribe. I do daily market recaps, live trade alerts, ton of educational videos. So I'm here to help if you have questions. And again, I'm going to do this weekly every Wednesday probably. And yeah, look forward to hearing from you or talking to you soon.
Thanks for watching. For more trading knowledge and insight, click on the videos on the right, and also join the Discord room. Link is in the description below. If you have any questions, please stop on by the Discord room and let's chat. Thank you.